It's 100% stock with the exception of some droop screw adjustments because it was a little bit wobbly trying to do the speed test when I first drove it. So we're going to try it again, this time on 4S first, and then of course 6S, and just see what this thing can do, because yeah, it's going to be pretty quick. Alrighty, first run. Ooh, so smooth. So stock gearing, 4S. Here we go, Dean. $80. Seems to be holding on pretty well. I'm happy. 80 kilometers an hour. Stock out of the box on 4S. For most people, that would be more than enough to have any amount of fun you want with this car. Here we go. $83 that time. I managed to hold it just a little bit nicer, a little bit better. Look at that, 83k an hour. That's pushing about 50 miles an hour, I reckon. That's very close to 50. Straight out of the box. Here we go, third and final pass on 4S. Here we go, Dean. $82. Thank you, sir. Let's check our GPS. Whee. Reverse back over here. Let's see what we got. It's right here in the back, and that is showing us exactly 85. Wowzers. I'd probably take 83 or 84, somewhere around there, but that's quite a lot. Radar gun's usually not that far off, but whew, let's see what happens on 6S, eh? Okay, 6 cell. Got a long run up here. Here we go, Dean. Oi! There's no way. No way, not with these tires. 82. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to go much faster. It's funny because my mate Paul said to me, I messaged him earlier and I said, you know, this thing does about 80 k's on 4S. And I could barely control it, which is why I sort of lowered it and everything. And he turned around.
The tire on that.
He turned around and said, I bet you're on 6L, you're not going to go much faster. He was not wrong. All right, here we go. Whoa. What car?
The BMW. It went to come this way and then it's done a U-turn. Sorry, I just seen it coming.
All right. No. Okay, let's go again. Let's see what we can do. I don't think we're going to go much faster. I think Paul was 100% correct. It's just all over the shop with those tires. Here we go. Yeah, no, see, as soon as I squeeze just a little bit, I can't even go past half throttle. It's just too much. It's just throwing the tire. 82 again. Yeah, it's just throwing the tires. So, in other words, we need better tires for this. I should have bought my slicks because I reckon that would have been interesting. This thing is geared to the moon. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's over geared. You can see how slow I can go. It seems fine, but it's just when you peg it, it wants to pop wheelies. This is too powerful. This thing's off its nut. Maybe the GPS will give us a bit of a reading. What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
I'll go further down.
Oh, hang on. Car. All right. Let's go again. Whoa. As soon as I accelerate just that little bit more, it just fishtails out. There's just no way. Not with these tires. Not with this setup. Does the G... Oh, 93 on the GPS. And I couldn't even go full throttle with this thing. 93 on the GPS. So it's tapping on 60 mile an hour. And that's without even going full throttle. So it's too hard. It's just way too hard. The setup.
Front tyres are buoyant, that's the problem.
And the setup on this